Long time no see, guys. It's been quite a while. I've been very sick with this bacteria infection the last 6 or 7 days. Haven't been posting on Instagram, YouTube, literally just have been sleeping all day. No haircuts, no gym, no anything, just pretty much bedridden every single day. Maybe it was just a period or a sign from God to just relax, chill, and that's exactly what I've been doing. But now we're back to like 100% health. We're going to the gym right now out here in Rayong. About to hit some back and then go to the mall. There's not that much to do out here in Rayong. Very peaceful city, but not that exciting. So we're just gonna do the best that we can do for these next few days, and then we'll be back in Bangkok very, very soon. I haven't had any caffeine, no nicotine for the last week. So I just downed some pre-workout, so now it's hitting like a truck compared to taking coffees every single day where I was like not really feeling the caffeine. Now I can feel it like 10 times more now, but we're at this hotel now. Pretty sick. It's not too shabby, but the gym is upstairs, so we're gonna go upstairs and hit back immediately. Let's go. Guys, check out this gym. It's actually an absolute cheat code. We got an entire pool. The gym is in there. We're about to go in there in a second. Connie's about to walk out that door. But then in the men's room, we have a sauna, steam room, shower, everything you need. And it's only 200 baht for me and Kanya. And that includes the water. Kanya got the water. So it's only like $6 for 2 people, which is an absolute cheat code. They got a pool as well. Should have brought my swim trunks. It's actually not a bad gym at all. They have like everything you need. I'm about to do some back, about to do some pull-ups. But they had a boxing. There it is. Yeah, it's not bad. You can definitely come here every single day. No problem whatsoever. Every single machine that you need. Let's see what's over here. Cardio, we're gonna stay away from that. Yeah, everything else, we're gonna maximize its potential. Just teleported to what mall are we at? Central? We're at Central Mall right now. We just teleported here from the gym. We're gonna maximize the gains with this chicken. No, we're gonna get 2 ribeye steaks, which is 43 times 2 is 86 grams of protein, plus French fries, lemon soda, and a little bit of sausage. Hold on, guys, let me order. Check it out, guys. This is like 86 grams of protein right here. Where's it? I thought you were getting sausage. 86 grams of protein plus the sundae we're gonna get from Dairy Queen. Should be about 90 grams of protein. So if we just get 2 of these a day, 180 grams plus a protein shake, that's 200 grams of protein plus. So it's more than enough for the goals. Maximizing the gains. Ice cream. Try. Maybe with this. Do you want it?
I see it's recorded, right? You're sneaky.
I don't know if you guys believe in magic, but I was booking a Grab, and before the ride is confirmed and you get an actual driver, you don't know the time that they're gonna arrive to your destination or to pick you up. And I guess 3 minutes. Kanya, is that true? Thumbs up or not? Like, I guess 3 minutes before it even popped up, and it was right on the money. So I'm not saying I'm like a magician or like some type of demigod, but I definitely have some type of powers. It's all within, guys. It's all in the mind. It's got a tall grande iced yin Americano from Starbucks, because this is the first time we've had caffeine in like 8 days. So the pre-workout is kind of crashing, to be honest. Getting a little bit low energy. So we're grabbing another caffeine boost for the rest of today. Kanye has some schoolwork, but I have some work to do as well. Got some sales calls later, but I'll probably just go to the beach for like 30 minutes to go in the ocean, because I haven't been in the ocean in a while. But the driver is here, the coffee isn't ready, so this is a complete disaster. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the vlog. Pretty much just went to the gym, went to the mall, ate, worked out for the first time in a week, had caffeine for the first time in a week, and we brought the snus, but you know, it's been 8 days. Might as well wait 9 days because we're just at the beach. I was gonna go swimming, but I walked up to the water and it smelled like absolute dog shit, so we're not gonna go swimming anymore. But the sun is setting, as you guys can see. It's very beautiful. There's a dead pufferfish right here on your left. If you look down here, it smells so bad. I had no objections going in the ocean before I smelled this pufferfish, and then went to the waves, and it smelled just like the pufferfish that was dead. So, you know, great times out here in Rayong. Very exciting times. I don't know what we're gonna do next. We're probably just gonna go home, chill, eat, drink, watch some Netflix, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So see you guys in the next one.